Cory, real quick to wrap it up, man. How has your life changed ever since you've done this exercise?
Dude, I can run my own reports now. I don't need Chris O'Byrne anymore. I am self-sufficient.
There you have it. You heard it here first. So, Cory, what's the biggest problem that you're running into on a day-to-day basis? Hey, we're going to be running a video not on his biggest problem, but we're going to be doing roof link, custom reports, your favorite subject. We're going to show how to edit the individual sales reps headers top to bottom. We're going to walk it through together in a training session. Let's go ahead and dive in. Cory, what report are we working off of?
Leads inspected 7.
So this is a Monroe report. So we are Monroe lead 7.
Yes, sir.
We sure it's this one?
No. I'm sorry. No, it's not. Well, I mean, it could be any of them because I need to change them on all of them. So, yes.
All right. So for this training session, we'll work off this one.
Okay.
So we got Caleb, Thomas, Tyler, Cory, JJ, Maximus, Bailey, etc. All right, I'm going to start with this, okay? First, we're going to go ahead and do one raw from the ground up, and then I'll show you why I like to copy the reports. So we're going to go ahead and hit this button here, create tab. That lets us put a new rep on there. What's the rep's name?
John Kelly.
John.
No H.
John Kelly, no H. Okay, so we hit it. When we take it from the ground up, as you can clearly see, the screen shows all kinds of data fields that we don't need. So we know we need to collapse these down. So to collapse them down, we want to mimic what it looks like probably on none of these.
JJ's would have it in there.
This is how we want it to look. So what we're going to do real quick is let's just take a picture of what this screen looks like. All right, so we got the screen. So in John Kelly, I'm going to add a filter for rep. My condition, I'm going to use is exact. The reason why is if I have John Thomas and John Kelly, it might be problematic if I only filter by the name John. So I'm going to go is exact, and then I'm going to spell it the same exact way. If the spelling is any different when you use the is exact filter, it's not going to come out properly. So I'm going to run that filter for searching for is exact John Kelly. So now I can clearly see in the past 7 days, John Kelly has 6 leads. Now I'm going to use my picture that I took. I got customer, job page, address, city. I'm going to collapse out. I just killed city. All right. That was real bad.
You're not supposed to hide, dude.
Hide. I do want created. I don't care about approved. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Technically, if I'm in the John Kelly filter already, I could filter out this rep because just by clicking the filter, I know that John Kelly's not supposed to be there. So I could hide that out. Date deleted. Dude, I can leave region or take it away. I'm going to take it away. I'm going to take that away. And then if there's any marketing rep information that I want to see, I'll leave that. And I'll take away created by. And then I might want to add, I'm going to take away balance. And then I'm going to add a column for last note message. Add that one in case I want to just snapshot see exactly what he says. And then on the last note message, I'm going to edit the column probably wider than 350. I'm going to take it all the way to 600 to take me home. Okay, so lock it. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, So we'll end out this video with one more little session. It's going to be to edit the ones that we have already. So let's go over to your best friend, Caleb. So on Caleb, what I'm going to do is I can see this has two sections. You have the title and then you have the filter. So I'm going to edit the tab title and I'm going to change the name to who?
Brennan.
Brennan?
Yes.
What's the last initial?
Tier.
All right, so I go Brennan T. There is only one Brennan T. The probability of there being a Brennan Thompson in addition to the Brennan Tier, that's super low. So I'm going to roll the dice. This is how filters break. Filters break. This will break in the event that Brennan Thompson gets hired.
Copy that.
Okay, so we're going to change this to is exact, and then we're going to go Brennan T, update filter. Is that right? Does he have no leads in the last 7 days?
No, that's not right.
Okay, then is his name spelled incorrectly?
It might be Tier, Teer.
Let's try that. Boom, that's it.
All right.
Okay, so now we know what to do. So then we can collapse all those columns the way that we did on the other side, and we'll just do your deal all the way through. Who's next?
Oh gosh, I love you. George Stallings.
So edit tab. Now we're gonna say, and we can keep it super simple. We can say George. And then on the filter side, we'll go is exact, and then we'll say George Stallings. Update the filter. Does he have no leads?
No, maybe it's under George S.
So I could go contains. Hit. All right. What's the next one?
You can go to Maximus.
Okay.
And change that to. I guess I could put my guys that are going through training coming up, so they'll have it Branson.
How do I spell it?
Branson. Myers would be his last name, so M. He won't have anything in there probably, but that's okay.
All right, and then if I'm doing a lot of work on these, I'm gonna lock it, and I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay, who's that?
I have a new Bailey. That is the old Bailey. Where do I go now?
All right, so look, so this is exact Bailey Crow. So I can leave Bailey, and now all I'm doing is I'm changing the last name with the exact spelling.
Here, hold on. Let me actually pull it for you so I have it. It is Johnsson.
Is that it?
Yep. And then actually Myers, his is spelt out in Rooflink, so we got to change his to his last name.
Who?
Branson.
Okay, so you're saying that on Branson, M.
In his marketing stuff, it's Myers. Myers.
It'll still work because I did contains Branson M. If I would have done it is exact, I would have to fix it. So that would break in the event that you got a Branson McDonald.
Copy that.
All right, so we good?
Yes. Is that all my guys? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That looks good.